walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Old-fashioned food. The master chef at work. His ancient secret recipe is a nutritious roadmap to Yummy Town. Oh, here already? Bwong, 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 bwong. Hi there, come on in. Hey. Am I early, Bjorn? Not at all, Buck. It's almost ready. What did you make? Well, pie? Well, it isn't pie, no. Then what? Cake? Not cake, no sir. Wait and see. Is it cupcakes then? It's not cupcakes. It's ice cream. Wrong again. Well then what? Are we even really going to have something? Behold! Smells so good, right? This is our ancient northern recipe. What's this stuff? Soup? Yeah. Wise bears teach us to eat lots of food that's nutritious before the start of winter. And this soup has lots of yummy things. Mushrooms, cabbage, and carrots. Just stop! You said this wouldn't be some old dull lunch. You promised a feast. This is a feast where I'm from. We call it Grand Poobah Chowder. I opened a can of really special spongy mushrooms for it. Thanks a lot, Bjorn. But soup doesn't sound that good to me. I'd rather just stick with my yummy chips here. I'm not that hungry. If you're not really hungry, why do you keep eating all those chips then? They're bad for you. Remember, when summer's over, there won't be anything like this soup. I sleep all winter long, so summer's never over for me. And these chips just couldn't be bad. They're so great. And no cooking required. But the way we did it, back up north... Up north we did this and we did that. Your ways are so old-fashioned up north with your fungus weed soup or whatever. But this is modern food. It was made in a factory with machines and smart technology. Well, if you don't like the kind of food that I make, then the next time you can cook. Come on, Bjorn. Don't be upset. Hey, listen. I'll make something that's delicious for you. So good your taste buds will explode! Genius time! I'll invent a recipe that's totally new. It'll be foodtastic! Behold! Nah, not good enough yet. What else could I use? Gotta use gummy bears! Nice! Looks so yummy! Oh, I love hot dogs too. Ooh, and meringue! Chocolate, of course. Burgers! Wait, wiener burgers! Gingerbread! Cookies, yeah! Now lots of mayonnaise on top, ice cream, and cupcakes! It's so beautiful! Super McDuper! Now that is what I call a real feast! I better get Bjorn over here before the ice cream melts. Bjorn, you are going to flip. Prepare yourself. You are about to be truly amazed! Oh, wow! Cool sculpture, Bucky. It isn't a sculpture at all. It's a super McDuper dish that I invented. It sure is taller than your regular food. It had to be big enough to fit all the flavor. Now then, board the train to Yummy Town. Eat that stuff? You really serious? Trust me, you're gonna be begging for seconds, thirds, tenths. Ew, disgusting. What? Disgusting? Impossible. Gross, right? You don't look so good, Buck. You all right over there? I'm just fine. I've never had yummier food. It's really nutritious as well. Bucky? Junk food avalanche! Bucky, run! No! My beautiful recipe! Lost! Gone forever! The food manatee! Why? And I just realized I'm starving. It's all right, Bucky. We'll clean the whole mess up. And when we're done, you can reconstruct your dish. Your modern and high-tech, disgusting, horrible, awful dish. Bjorn, know what? let's head to your house. You've got some soup left over there still, right? Make yourself right at home. There. Try not to lick the paint off the bowl. Yeah, Grand Poobah chowder. They should call it Bucky's Bottomless Belly Bisque. That is literally your 10th helping. Can I have 11ths? Please? The best reminder. Howdy. Yeah. Good afternoon, Bucky. What in the world is this? A doorbell or something? It's a reminder, not a doorbell. You remember how we made plans to go fishing early tomorrow morning? Well, I tied a bunch of knots to remind myself to remember not to forget. It's something we always did up north. Okay, it's not supposed to do that. That system sounds unreliable. Never fear, I'm going to invent a reliable mechanical reminder system. We'll remember everything! Great, but Bucky, please, just remember not to forget our trip. Time to get my genius on! Eureka! Lunchtime! Time to clean! Time to work out! Fishing trip! It works! Awesome! All right, yeah! I am one with nature. I am a peaceful bear. A peaceful, peaceful bear. Growl. Whoa! It's so great! Yay! I've done it! Bjorny, prepare to be amazed. My Remind-O-Matic works great! Here, let me show you. Are you excited? Because you absolutely should be. Watch this. I'll have the Remind-O-Matic remind Chicky that it's time to eat lunch. It's so user-friendly that even a bird brain can understand it. You may want to sit down. This is going to be very exciting. Wow, Chicky must have been really hungry. Ta-da! Isn't my Remind-O-Matic amazing? I'll never ever forget anything now. What is next on my schedule? Aha! Time for tea time. Thanks, Remind-O-Matic. Being a genius rocks! Ah, there Bucky goes again. It's so very tea time. Oh, goodness! It's time for cleaning! Long time since I cleaned up. What now? Huh? Ah, it's garden time! Wash! Huh? Iron! Huh? Time to cook! Time to snap! Time to hoe! Workout time! Play outside! Don't forget, eat! Wash up! Weed the garden! Sleep! Watch Bear Ball! Eat! Never forget! Eat! Clean! Sleep! Exercise! All the things! Remember all the things! Oh, the things! Dream! Drool! Snore! Huh? Yeah! It's time to what? I thought it was time to sleep. What? Huh? Oh, that's right. It's time for me to turn over. Quiet! I can remember to dream on my own. I can't remember why I built you in the first place. I'm done. Remind me to throw you away. Just stop that. Remind me to forget you. Good riddance. Now what was I gonna do? Good morning! This reminded me to tell you that it's time to head to the fishing hole. Hey, whatever became of your Remind-O-Tronic thing, huh? Trust me on this one. We're better off forgetting all about that silly thing. But those reminder knots of yours really are a clever idea. Know what, Bucky? What? The most important reminders aren't here, you see. They're down here.
Well, I'll certainly never forget my best friend. So, have those reminder knocks ever woken you up in the middle of the night?
A journey!
Good morning, Bjorn. What are you doing?
Bucky, hi there. I'm just getting stuff ready to go.
You mean you're going on a trip? Can I come too?
Why not? Come on along.
I just love to travel the world, but not on foot. Walking's too slow, plus you can't carry enough stuff, plus you don't see a lot, plus you could get lost.
We won't get lost when I bring this compass with us.
Awesome! I've got an idea. Rope, please tell me you have some. Excellent. That'll work. Come over to my place in the morning and bring your stuff. Time to be awesome!
Hi, Bucky. Oh, wait a minute. What's floating in your yard?
It's for us, a hot air balloon for our trip. Come on, climb on board. It's time for us to fly.
I don't think I'll be traveling by air. No way. I am not a flying bear.
Why not? The balloon will carry us and all our stuff, and there's no chance we'll get lost because we can see everything from up here.
Well, even if you're right about all that, it's bad weather for flying today.
I get it. You're afraid of flying, right?
What? I am not afraid of flying. Ugh.
Are you sure? Problem! Bjorn, I'm really scared.
Hey, Bucky!
Please do something, Bjorn. Help me!
Hang on! It's a hurricane! I hate flying!
I'm not loving it either! Listen! Turn us around, Bjorn!
How? It's your runaway balloon! You're supposed to be steering it! Yikes!
Ouch! My scarf!
Bucky! Bucky, you gotta grab that thing! Come on, grab onto that tower!
What? Yeah! Electric lines! Shocking! Look, ducks! Help us, duckies!
Bucky, we're flying south, I think. I haven't ever been this way before.
How much longer are we gonna fly, Bjorn?
Long as this big, strong wind blows, we're gonna keep on flying.
Sorry, house on a stick! I always wanted to ride this! Yeah!
Oh, it's spinning fast.
Hold your breath!
Help us, you two!
Whoa! Look at the cool crane! Watch out! Mountain! Correction! Volcano!
Why are we still flying?
Yeah, you were right. Balloon travel was a bad call. I guess that we better walk home.
But where's home? We've flown so far, I don't know the way back.
Well, I don't know how to get back. Don't you have your fancy compass?
Well, yeah, only it's still inside my backpack, which is back at your house.
What are we gonna do about this? I want to go home.
Bucky, guess what? I think you were right, my friend. We can travel in this balloon of yours because I just had a great idea.
That was some great thinking, Bjorn. This is a great view, just lovely.
Don't forget that I need directions. Do your
Go
job.
left. Good. I see our volcano over there. Turn to the right now, then straight ahead. You're doing great.
Come on, let's switch jobs so I can do some flying too, Buck.
Is it just me, or have I been pulling a lot longer than you did? Bjorn? Ooh, my scarf!
Oh, look out! We're back at all those wires. Keep to the right. Yo! Bucky, your other right. Oh, hey! There's your house! Hooray! We made it!
Yeah, traveling is pretty awesome. Let's get lost up north tomorrow.
Let's what?
Bjorn, why are you laughing? I'm serious. You can see everything from up here.
There's a reason bears don't have wings, right?